ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Intan Vezatul Uma. I am a doctor in Raden Mata Hair Hospital. Thank you for having me to speak in front of you. And I hope this presentation will be interesting and useful for us. Today, I will talk about the importance of healthy eating. I have divided my presentation into three parts. First, I will talk about the importance of healthy eating, and the second, I will explain some way to eat healthier. So my presentation will take 15 minutes, and please feel free to question the end.